Okay, so this one says the value of a stock share in a new technology company has been increasing by a rate of 8.6% quarterly. So I'm going to put my rate is equal to 8.6%, which if I write that as a decimal, that's 0.086. And then it says, oh, I like this. This one, it just comes right out and says that the initial price of a share was 102. So that would be which was 102.15. Then it says the investor plans to sell the value of one share, or once the value of one share reaches 200, that's a weird way to say that, 233. So that's the final amount. And so I guess we're going to have to solve this. And then lastly, they tell us that T is the number of quarters since the initial price was set, right? Or which equation could be used to determine how long it will take, assuming that the growth rate stays the same. Okay, so we're going to plug this in. I've got A1 is equal to A naught times 1 plus the rate raised to t. So 233.10 should be equal to 102.15. Oh, this is going to be a weird one. Okay. Raised to the 1.08. Oh, we just have to do the equation. I thought we had to solve it. So we just have to write the equation. Oh, I'm skipping a step too. Right. So, well, I guess I don't need to. I think you guys can figure that out, right? 1 plus the 0.086 is just going to be 1.086, right? And then all that raised to the t, right? And so I skipped it, but let me just kind of highlight it here. 1 plus 0.86 is equal to 1.86 or 1.086. And that's where that comes from. Okay. And that is it on that one.